Sneaker copying newbies often shrug when they are told to join a cook group. What even are cook groups? As you'll soon find out, they're one of the most crucial parts of successful sneaker copying, especially for the market newcomers. I'm assuming you already know what sneaker copying is, right? Just in case, let me recap. Basically, it's the process of buying limited edition sneakers from online shoe stores like Adidas or Nike. Since stocks are limited and there are many of us trying to get our hands on them, or in other words, cop sneakers, they get sold out within seconds. To get at least one pair, sneakerheads use various tools and techniques. You can find out about them from many resources, for example, our channel. So consider subscribing for more sneaker botting guides. But let's admit it, eventually, you're going to need more information on drop dates, release values, and so on. And that's where the cook groups come in handy. Very handy. To put it simply, a sneaker cook group is a community where sneakerheads come to get advice and tools to make buying limited edition shoes and apparel easier. Most cook groups can be found on private Slack and Discord servers. The best ones have limited admission and charge a monthly subscription fee. Aside from community support and chit-chats, what cook groups offer varies from one group to another. Let's discuss what features you can expect from a group. Many groups have something called a release monitor. They web scrape popular sneaker sites 24/7 and automatically alert you whenever a new pair drops or restocks. A good group will have monitors for many websites. This is one of the most valuable features that you can get, partly because it also notifies you about shock drops, which aren't on release calendars. Many cook groups also provide you with early links. These are URL addresses that you can plug into your sneaker bot tasks. Being able to set up the bot before the release saves time and gives you better chances to cop. An established cook group is like an encyclopedia of knowledge about sneaker copying. You can use it to learn about the trade in general or about specific releases. If you're new to copying, you'll definitely benefit from reselling advice. Some cook groups will tell you which shoes are worth getting, which sizes, when to resell them, and even how much their price is estimated to rise in the aftermarket. Setting up your bot is a challenging task, especially for newbies. Shoe bots have multiple settings. For example, a fast mode for less protected websites, or a human-like mode for the harder targets. Then there are keywords for shoes. A sneaker cook group will advise you how to set up the bot to have the biggest chance of success. Good sneaker bots are almost always sold out. A cook group lets you take part in collective buys, which gives a group of people an exclusive right to get a set number of copies. In the same way, you can get sneaker proxies and sneaker servers at a discounted price. A group can also have tools that automatically monitor bot prices, generate accounts, jig your address, help you make multiple entries in raffles, generate eBay views, and so on. Some cook groups go so far as to offer mobile apps, SMS alerts, Funko trading, reshipping services, and even stock advice. I wouldn't risk my money on the latter, but maybe you'll find value in that. Have you already used a cook group before? Did you find it useful? Well, let us know in the comments below. You probably already know that starting with sneaker copying requires some investment in the beginning. So you might be wondering if the paid cook groups are even worth it. Maybe you should just go with a free one instead. In many ways, free cook groups offers the same features as paid ones. You get release monitors, early links, the community to chat with, but that's only at first glance. In reality, a free cook group will almost always give you an inferior experience, with slower monitors, worse support, fewer guides, and other resources. Some might try to monetize you in other ways, because we all have money to make somehow. There are exceptions to the rule. Beta cook groups. These are newly formed communities that are looking to attract members and then go paid. Their quality is often decent, but then again, you'll have to constantly be on the move or settle down and drop the cash anyway. So considering what you'd get for the membership, I'd say that paid groups are worth it if you're looking to resell. There's another type worth mentioning too. Many of the better sneaker bots have their own Discord cook groups. They function both as a license key and a community. The difference between private cook groups and bot cook groups is scope. Bot groups focus on setup instructions, bot changes, announcements, and things like that. But on the other hand, private cook groups cover a much wider range of topics. So how do you get into a cook group? You can find a cook group by frequenting specialized subreddits, on Twitter, by searching for Discord servers tagged cook group, or using sites like cop.supply. There are a lot of cook groups out there, so you have to rely on their reputation and word-of-mouth recommendations. Most private cook groups charge money for membership. The price usually ranges between $20 to $60 for a monthly subscription. The cheap groups often price some of their services separately, using a tiered subscription model. Like sneaker bots, private cook groups are often sold out. You can either wait for a slot to drop and buy yourself in, or you can buy a membership in the aftermarket. I hope this video helps. Before you go, please don't forget to like this video and check out our other videos on sneaker bots and proxies. They will help you to deepen your knowledge of how sneaker copying works. And I'll see you in the next video.